I wanted to give you a quick preview of something that's in the works as a template that I'm going to be providing on my website fairly soon, is this xAPI video player. So if you're in the learning realm and you're familiar with xAPI, then this is going to be a great template for you to be able to track video. Any video that you want, it basically just place the video inside of the template, upload the video to a website, and then it's ready to go. It starts tracking when the user hits play, when the user hits pause, what time did they hit pause. It tracks when they meet halfway, it tracks when they've completed as well, and then it also allows you to jump to different points of the video. So it's not completely ready yet, it's almost there, but I wanted to give you a little bit of a hint. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in my name. I'm going to go ahead and type in my email as well. So learningdojo.net, and then I'm going to click Save Info. Now I could disable that if I wanted to and just kind of have like a default user if needed. But you can see pretty much up here, we have our logo, we have our title of the course, we have the video subtitle as well. Over on the right hand side, I have a video menu. So if I click on the video menu, this allows me to actually pull in different videos if I have several videos. Right now I just have this one video, so if I hit play, I'm not going to really notice anything different here. But what's happening behind the scenes is it's actually sending over xAPI statements. If you're not at all familiar with what xAPI is, check out my course at learningdojo.net on xAPI. It explains everything that you need to know there. But in this xAPI viewer, which is the, right now I'm just using cloud.scorm.com, this gives me just kind of a sample viewer that I can come in and see the content that's actually coming in and the different statements that are there. So you can see here that Jeff Batt viewed. When I click on the menu, it sends over a statement that I clicked on the menu. When I started the video, it says that I started the video. When I paused the video, it says that I paused the video, and it said that I paused the video at 2 seconds. So it's tracking a lot here. So if I go ahead and hit play, you can see that if I hit halfway, it's going to send over a statement. As soon as I complete it, it'll send over a statement as well.
He's acting like a monkey.
And so if I come back into here and hit refresh, it says that I completed the video. So basically allows you to track a lot here. And if I come into the code, let's go ahead and just take a look at what the code is doing. Here is my pop-up form. I can change that if I needed to. Here is my title, but I'm going to show you where that actually is coming or being pulled in from. You don't want to change it here. And then also the video. But I'm going to actually show you where that video is being pulled from as well. This is just the sample video. But if I come into the code, this config.js file allows me to change the color of the bar. Let's go ahead and pick a different color. I'm just going to choose like a random, let's do like a kind of this red color, pink, hot pink color there. If I hit save, come back into here, oh, not that one, come back into here, hit refresh, you can see that it's changed that color there. All I needed to do was put in the different hex value. The separator bar is the bar right here, so I can change the color for that. If I don't want there to be a prompt, then I just come in here and just type in false under where it says enable user prompt. And now if I hit refresh, it's not going to prompt me. And so just as simple as that, just changing it to false. If I wanted navigation buttons as well, I'm just going to change that to true. And all of a sudden I have these navigation buttons down at the bottom. If I change that back to false, those will go away. So the other one is the videos. And so just by adding in these videos, I'm able to add a title, a description, a subtitle, a description, as well as the path to the video. What that does is it automatically generates that menu for me. So if I click on the menu, it generates this, and so I don't have to do that in the code or anything. I just come in here, and if I click on that video, it's going to pop up in the new video. So I can have several videos, and all those videos could be tracked through the xAPI statements or sending over these xAPI statements. In this video viewer, this xAPI video viewer is actually going to be available fairly soon at learningdojo.net.